Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Sangma Hawahir Wai Perda Ye Lekemendap San Paus Nem Ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision West Giant Hill District Negasngi Dalai Lipat Yaro Ya Ke Eklavya Model Residential School Ka WM Hachnong Umladkhur Ka Wahab Hapo Ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision Hi Ya Ke Nigaskur Da Wai Moyurim House Nem Arhaja Arpaule Wedamang Uchna Helut Kamwaso Pausan Klurnya Bakunde Lak Kende Bakunde Hajar Lengbaga Ministry of Tribal Affairs Ka Sarkar India Hapo Ipai Ipalai Ke Eklavya Residential Society Hagani Kesngi de Emlang Le Umantri Ka Chnat Poreputi Ka Sarkar Jela Ulak Men Rembui Woman Le Hejo Iporo MLA Ka Thany Hawasakhi Ke Nigaskuru Konrad Sangma de Ikuble Yawaro Akiwa de Embenta Upalai Bai Ye Kre Wei Ongule Kamwa Ipen Kre Man Ko Walai Bai Yooluti Wahau Benai March April Yong Snem Wawan Dau Ye Pyndep Yaka Wei Ki Khenna Le Uyo Na Ki Ulai Pure Lai Tho Ye Tip Istan Hagani Kaskur.
Everyone present out here, our respected Minister for Education, Malakamin Rumbui, all the other officials who are present out here, and the firms and the organizations involved in building this EMRS. I first of all would like to thank all of you for coming here for this short program where we have come to see the work of this EMRS. I'm happy to inform you that the work is going on very well, and we expect that by 31st of March and early April we should be able to complete the civil work and the building work, and I'm hoping that we should be able to start the academic year by next year itself, so that the children can start getting education out here in this EMRS school. So I would like to once again thank the contractors and all the officials for the dedicated work that they have shown, and once again would like to reiterate that this work should finish by March end 2026.